subscribe. MetalicaStalica, Joe and I. Normally he'll run off the bus and tackle me sometimes. So we'll see. Snow's melting. It's above freezing. There's the pumpkin. I was all snow the other day. Oh, we removed the swing. Now I'm just waiting for the little guy. He's got his spaghetti meatballs in there ready. Also cooking some mozzarella sticks with spicy marinara sauce. Bills won. Man, they kicked butt last night. Oh, I think I hear the bus. See if he does the old Bobby Boucher. As long as you don't step in dog poo. Man. Oh, yeah. Here he is. Coming home from school. Look. All right. Bobby Boucher. Uh-oh. Don't step on the dog poo.